My birthday come up and I'm telling you something, dear friends and families and well wishers. I don't want no well wishes. Me no wanna hope you live to see me anymore. God will grant me that. Grant me some money. You understand? I'm not wanna bother post a picture from 2012 with me. Don't upset me. Don't come post no hungry belly picture with me where you're having your phone from back when. I'm not want a video picture with every picture with me ever taking a life. You come make some tree like an album. Me don't want it. You understand? Me no want a long epistle. You is not my lover. You is my friend or my family member. Now send me a 3-page essay. I'm not reading it. Come here, copy and paste the one. Thank you so much. I appreciate it to everybody. I want money means a big woman. Treat me like a big woman. Keep it short. Keep it cute. To the point. Happy birthday. Here. Happy birthday. What's your banking info? Happy birthday. Check account.